kind of simple. So I'm not at all a supporter of hypothesis-driven research. I think fishing trips are much more important. The question is what you do with the data. But we have to realize hypothesis-driven research is typically, and most people do that, research that has been done, and then to write a paper, the hypotheses are formulated. Which is okay, because that's how they are accepted. But I really think that going out and fish, and maybe fish for new fish in new lakes, that's the way how we make development.
Not for the first time, Ben, I'm going to disagree with you. You're true, but you're missing an important step. What those observations in physics and science, and what, you don't hypothesize what's on the other. You go to the top of the mountain and look down and say, well, I think there's a lake down there. That's your hypothesis. Now you have an expedition with all the instruments and the water detection devices to go down there and test your hypothesis that there is a lake down there. If you don't at some point do the controlled experiment, then all you have is an observation and a hypothesis. There's no other way so yes, I do observation studies. I've got lots of studies. You've got seen observational data I presented of thousands of subjects running marathons. And it was important to go out there and look, as you say, and go out there and fish and see what there was. But then afterwards, we see these things that we think are important. We go back with a hypothesis and test it. So yes, I see where you're getting, and yes, it all comes from observation in the beginning and from asking questions. But when it comes to answering those questions, the only way we can know that we can do it reliably is with the scientific method.
Yeah, but this is the work of the technician. To have ideas, to look for new things. That's the work of the scientist. And once you see the lake down there and then hypothesize there is a lake down there and do the things that would show that the lake is down there, every technician can do that. That's not the work of the scientist. So I would suggest that the work of the scientist is much more in the area of the unknown, in the area of the things that don't need hypotheses, in the area of the things that you explore and try to find new things.
Yeah, that's. I think you were trained as a physicist. I was trained as a biologist. That might be the differences we have here. As a field biologist, actually, which is. But anyway, thank you.
As much as I said I didn't want this conference to finish, well, I don't wrap it up now. I'm getting in trouble. Thank you, Martin, on behalf of all of us for your work.